Okay, so we have already done our work on comparison shopping for everyday small items that people buy often. We are going to move into working on learning how to research a large purchase that costs more money, things like cars and appliances. Um, you have just watched a warm up video on tips for buying a car, and then you watched two videos that explained a little bit more about how to actually do searching on Google. Um, Now we are going to get started on this project, which is going to be given to you in different parts. For this part of the lesson, you are going to just be doing parts 1 and 2. Let's actually first take a look at our learning target and success criteria for this project. Your learning target is I can use research from reliable sources to help me decide on making a purchase. Your success criteria includes determine a type of item to purchase, use online websites to research features and customer reviews of items, and then you're going to make a decision on a specific item according to your research. So what you're going to start out with part 1 is you're going to determine what category of item you're going to buy. You're going to pick one of these below, and I'm going to ask you to stick to these below. There are tons of different options down here, so yes, you need to pick one of those. And if you will notice, these are categories, they're not brand specific. When I put down trucks here, I don't have Ford, Chevy, Dodge, like that. I just have trucks. You're not picking the brands right now. The same goes for smartphones. I didn't put down here iPhone, Android, Google Pixel. I didn't put those down because right now you're not deciding on a brand. You are deciding on a category. So you need to pick your category, and you will be recording this on the Google Doc that you download from Canvas. And then for the second part, you're still not deciding on a brand specific thing yet. What you're going to do is decide on what features you want your new purchase to have, and you're going to make a list of those features. For example, if you chose washing machines, you're going to make a list of what you would want in a washing machine. Things like, do you want a digital display? How big of a load capacity do you want? Do you want it to have an economy mode? Do you want it to have a child lock so children don't fall into it and drown? Do you want it, if it's a washing machine, do you want it to be a top loader or a front loader? Do you want a certain color? Things like that. You will see in here it's still not talking about brands because you are not picking a brand yet. So this part and this part you will be recording on the Google Doc that you download from Canvas for part 1 and 2 of this project. So let's go ahead and get started.